All right, so I've got here a radical with something in front of it and then something on the outside but in front of it. Okay, you cannot do 2 plus 10 and get 12. All right, because order of operations, there's multiplication happening between the 10 and the radical. So I need to move this 2, and I'm going to get 10 third root x minus 5 equals 3. I'm going to divide by 10. I'm going to get a decimal or a fraction, whichever I want to leave it as. I'm going to get third root x minus 5 equals, I'm just going to put it as a decimal, 0.3, because it's this decimal that ends. Okay, now this is a third root, so it is a 1/3 power, which means I'm raising these to the 3/1. Okay, I'm going to get x minus 5. All right, I think I know what 0.3 to the 3/1 is, but let's just make sure. To the 3/1. 0.027. Then I'm going to add 5 to it. And I'm going to get x equals 5.027. As I keep saying, I don't see any negatives in here anyplace, so I'm thinking this is probably going to be okay, but I'm going to check it anyways. So 2 plus, and then I've got to be a little, this is one of the bad things about this calculator. I'm going to have to bring this up first and then put the 10 in front of it. If I type the 10 in and then hit math and that, it's going to put the 10 in the root spot where the 3 is, and that annoys me, so I usually do it that way. And then I've got, let's see here, it was 5.027. So 5.027 minus 5. 5.027 minus 5. Okay, and again, be careful, get everything typed in correctly. Gives me a 5. It was supposed to give me a 5. All right, so that means that this works. All right, most of these answers are working. As you get into some harder ones, especially on the assessment review and things, you're going to have answers that don't work. All right, and if I haven't set this up right, which is possible that I didn't pay attention and have enough solutions that don't work, I'll add a file on that has some more problems in there where the solutions don't work, so you can practice that also.